Welcome back. Margaon witnessed tense situation on Friday afternoon. Tussle started between two groups over co-management of the Malbhat Masjid. One of the members of the group was assaulted. This led to chaos and tension till late evening. Margaon police have registered an offence against 30 odd people from both groups.
आणि तांका भायर काडले. आमी इलेक्टेड कमिटीन ताजेर कांयच करू ना. तो फकत केस करपाक आपूण रॉंग आहात आतां रायट करपाक वचून ते ढोंगा करपाक वचून हॉस्पिटलान दितला.
हे 10-12 जाणां आनी येयले आनी आसून म्हाज्या हातींतल्यान पयशांची पोती ओडून काडली. हांव पोती ओडून दिना म्हणल्यार धरून म्हाका मारला आनी मारून काडून म्हाका मशिदीची भायर धांवले. हे आतां म्हाका हें जाय की आतां आमचे कडेन जेन्ना हो मॅटर कोर्ट आहा कोर्टान आमकां ऑर्डर दिला आनी तेंच्यांनी ते कमिटीन आसून कोर्टान ताका ऑर्डर दिला कितें की तुमी इलेक्शन करा बट नॉट टू इंटरफियर इन द मॅनेजींग कमिटी. क्लियरली तांकां ऑर्डर दिला आनी कोर्टाचे ते ऑर्डर माननासतना अशें लफडे करता आनी हें करता. आमकां जाय कितें तेंचे एगेन्स्ट हें करपाक म्हणून एक्शन घेवपाक म्हणून.
A new committee has been formed as the Goa Route Bus Owners Association. They have demanded government to hike bus ticket fares for private buses. Also to increase subsidy for worn-out buses with 29 and 40 seaters. President of the association, Manuel Rodriguez, has asked the government to scrap passenger tax for private buses. He said 7-day training should be provided to youth for availing identification as official conductors.
आम्ही एक डिमांड घातला की पहिले 3 किलोमीटराक 8 रुपये मागल्यात आणि पर किलोमिटराक 9 रुपये मागल्यात. ही तिकेट वाड दिवपाची गरज आहा. जी वयर ज्यो बसी आसात त्यो न्यू दिवपाक जी सबसिडी दिता ती 2.5 लाख दिता. जी 709 आहा 29 सिटराक ती आतां जी बसी रेट आहा ती चड वाडल्या ताका लागून आमी ती 5 लाखांनी मागल्या. आनी 3.5 लाख जी आसा ती 40 सिटरां दिता ते आमी 7 लाख दिवचे अशें म्हणून सरकारा कडेन मागला. स्टुडंट म्हणल्यार आमगेलो धंद्याचो बॅकबोन. ऑफिस प्रिमायसीस पळय आहा ते आमी सगळ्या KTC बस स्टँडाचेर मागल्या. कित्याक हें अशें इन्सिडेंट जाता स्टुडंट म्हण खंयचे सिनियर सिटीजन म्हण हे सगळे इन्सिडेंट आमी जाग्यार उरतले. आमगे खंय तरी ऑफिस जाय. गव्हर्मेंटाक एक प्रपोजल घातला की वर्साक आमकां 4 टायर गव्हर्मेंटान दिवचे म्हणून प्रायवेट बसीन बरो.
जे भुरग्यांक एक बरो 3 दिसांचो 7 दिसांचो कोर्स करून तांकां कार्ड दिवची गव्हर्मेंटान म्हणजे तांकां रिकॉग्नायज करचे की दॅट दे आर ऑफिशियल कंडक्टर्स म्हणून. टॅक्साचो जो टॅक्स आमी गव्हर्मेंटाक मागला की आमी रोड टॅक्स फारीक करतात पूण पॅसेंजर टॅक्साचो माफ करता कित्याक धंदो आतां पयले भशेन ना आमकां.
Now news from sports. Dhepo Cricket Club and Sarvodaya Royals will lock horns in the finals of Yes Bank GPL T20 tournament at Poruri ground on Sunday morning. Sagun Kamath led Dhepo Bay two-time champion Salgaonkar Sports Club while Shadab Jakati captain Sarvodaya Royals edged out NRB GSA Stars in low-scoring semi-finals on Saturday.
In the first semi-final, Dhepo Cricket Club won the toss and elected to field first. With the pitch helping the bowlers, Salgaonkar lost 2 quick wickets. Steady middle-order performance by Ravikant Shukla and Ashish Yadav formed the backbone of Salgaonkar innings. Ravikant made 48 runs while Ashish scored 47 runs. Sher Bahadur Yadav picked up 4 wickets for Dhepo while Sahil Duri took 3 wickets. In reply, Dhepo got to victory target in 19.3 overs. Khatib Shahabuddin was the top scorer with 39 runs. Yogesh Takwale scored important 34 runs to guide Dhepo to a 4-wicket victory. Ashish Yadav of Salgaonkar was named man of the match for his all-round performance. Dhepo captain Sagun Kamath was very happy with the result.
It was a close match, but we always knew if we had to play 20 overs, we would make it. And the targets are very tricky. Sometimes 148, 150. You can't go all out. Also, it's a matter of 120 balls. And I'm happy that we reached the finals now.
So it's the big finals tomorrow. Any particular things that you will be discussing in the team meeting?
I've been there for the 3rd final now. Hopefully, we'll play good cricket. That's what I've always said. Playing good cricket is aim, and results doesn't really matter.
In the second semi-final, NRB GSA Stars won the toss and elected to field. Sarvodaya Royals could only manage to score 134 runs. Saurav Dubey was their top scorer with 45 runs. Deepak June scored 42 runs. Robin D'Souza, Sufyan Alam and Syed Buddy picked up 2 wickets each. Sarvodaya Royals won by 14 runs, particularly due to excellent bowling by Shadab Zakati, who picked up 3 wickets. GSA's Sufyan Alam was named man of the match. Captain of Sarvodaya Royals, Shadab Zakati, was delighted with the result.
Congratulations on a fantastic victory. It was a low-scoring affair, and there was times when it looked like the game was going NRB's way. So, how did you manage to pull the things back?
Thanks. We actually played really well. We kept the pressure and we handled the pressure very well, and we deserve to be in the finals because we have played really fantastic throughout the tournament. And everyone did their job perfectly. Everyone contributed. Wicket was not easy to bat. Actually, it was different from the previous games we played. It was little slow holding it up, so it was not easy for the batsmen to play shots. And we stick to our plans. We executed it very well, and did it a fantastic job.
Your thoughts on the matchup, the finals matchup with Dempo Cricket Club tomorrow?
It'll be a good match. Dempo and Sarvodaya, obviously the best teams in the tournament so far. So I'm hoping it will be a good tournament, and just looking forward for it tomorrow.
The final will start at 10 a.m. on Sunday. Bureau Report, Prudent.
If you've missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.